Did you know that fixing a flat tire can take less than 5 minutes if you have the right tools? And unfortunately, this happened to me this morning. You are going to need a tire plug kit, your mom's favorite kitchen knife, just kidding, just a regular knife, or a razor, some pliers, and a tire inflator. And of course, don't forget the soapy water. And please make sure you have the tire inflator before you start doing this. The plug kit comes with instructions already, but I want to show you how do I do it in every single step that you have to take to make sure the tire, and after reading instructions, of course, the repair comes out really good. You are going to find the nail in the tire and spray some soapy water just to make sure. To get the nail out, you're gonna need the pliers, but if the nail is really deep into the tire, you're gonna need some knife so it can help you out lifting up the nail a little more so you can have some grip and be able to take the nail off the tire. If you're not able to find something to help you out taking the nail out, you can use whatever you have in hand. So you can have a nail, something like this, so you can have a grip and be able to pull it out faster. It might take some time depending on the nail and how deep it was, but once you finally get out, you're gonna feel so much relief. Once you get the nail, don't throw it away anywhere. Just wait to see a trash can and put it in the trash can. With the other tool that looked like a spiral that was inside the plug kit repair, you're gonna use that to clean the hole and making it bigger, so whenever you start repairing the tire, it won't be difficult for you to push in. It might take some time. Like I said, if it's your first time, even if you want to, you can move the tire a little bit, moving the steering wheel to the side so you can have more space. But depending on the position and where the hole was at, you might struggle a little bit. So that's normal. You don't have to stress out. Just keep following the steps, making sure the hole comes out clean. And yes, this is the part that took me a little longer to have it done correctly, but I had to take my time to do this right so I won't have to struggle when I go to the next step. And this shouldn't take long. So after a couple seconds of doing this again and again, you're gonna have to grab the tire repair stick plug and add the plug bond. It comes with a few stick plugs, and depending on the size of the tire, in this case it was a small tire, you might want to grab the thin one and just like this, pass the stick bond through the tool that it gives you in the kit. Funny story, I tried to use the thick tire plug and it didn't work out the first time because since it was a small tire, I couldn't get the tool through inside the tire. So if you have a sedan and you are not fixing a truck, then try using the thin tire plug first. And as you can see right here, don't forget to add the adhesive to the tire plug. This adhesive is gonna allow for the tire plug to go deep inside and don't let any of the air. I'm just kidding. I haven't seen people using this adhesive on top of the tire plug. I just did it because it was part of the instructions. You guys can do it, but yeah, don't abort this step because you might want to do it and then don't do it and then regret not doing it at the end. But if you don't have the adhesive, the plug bond, don't stress out. You can fix the tire just with the tire plug. And just like this, you're gonna push the tool inside the tire. And this is why you have to have a tire inflator. Because if you fix it in your driveway, you won't be able to drive it because all the air is gonna come out. And just like that, once the plug is in, twist the tool at least 3 times to the left till you feel that the plug is not attached, and like that you're gonna pull fast and you're gonna see that the stick is gonna be in the tire. You're gonna cut the excess of the plug, leaving a nice and smooth surface. You can get a knife or a razor to cut the excess plug just like that. And don't worry, you want to slash the tire. Just try to do it carefully all around and get in as much as the excess that you can. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give a like and subscribe and comment. What is it something that you want to learn from this video? If you are quick fixing the tire, you don't need to do this step, but if you have soapy water, it will be good to clean the area just to make sure there's no leak anymore, and so you can feel a peace of mind. If you follow all the steps correctly, there's not going to be bubbles showing on the tire. As you can see right here, I'm cleaning the glue off of the tire and making sure there's no bubbles. And Don't forget to keep the odd plugs for future emergency repairs. Don't forget to have your tire inflator in hand, so once you are done fixing the tire, you're able to inflate the tire back. The moment you successfully repair a flat tire will be the highlight of your newfound skills. Don't be afraid to try it, and it will definitely save you a couple of bucks.